What is good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we are going to be installing all of the accessories on the engine that I am dropping in here very soon. All right, so let's get to unwrapping it. Yes, the weather is really terrible right now, but it's worth it in the end to get all this open. Get cutting this baby open. Dude, I have been waiting so long to drive this car. It's been sitting for I think like 11 months. You could just say a year. It's been way too long, man. Oh my god, the first startup on this thing, it's gonna be so amazing, man. I'm hoping that I could finish this in a couple hours. I really don't think it would take that long. It's really not that difficult. You just bolt everything up and then that's it. Well, it doesn't really matter if I do this, but I like to cover every single hole. There's all the gaskets to put this thing back in there. Let's put on the crank pulley. Line that thing up there. So what y'all know about extensions? Oh my god. Alright, the left motor mount is in. Let's get 2 bolts. Put one at the top and then one at the bottom. Yeah, so I definitely recommend spraying some WD-40 in this, because at first that was really hard to get in there, but with a little bit of WD-40, that thing slid in there perfectly. Right there. Every bolt that I keep tightening, I just get more and more excited for this thing to start. Now, where's the, oh, it's right there. It's definitely off. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna use this hammer. Get this thing right. Bro, when in doubt, literally just use a hammer, bro. Alright. This is the ported manifold. You can see they cut it right there. It's like shaved all inside of there. I haven't put everything on this, but I plan on doing that because I have to hook up a boost gauge to this. I'll do that like a little bit later. But as for now, I just want to get everything onto the car. So let's put this one on. Like that, and throw this bad boy on. Minty fit. All right. Looks about right. Now, let's put in my dipstick. This was such a pain in the ass to do when I was trying to take out the manifold. Bruh, this thing was so hard to get out. Alright, let's get this thing in there. Now, time to put on the water pump. Let's put this thing on there. Here's one of the last things that I'm gonna be doing is putting this on. And then the turbo. Pretty crazy. It's gonna have an upgraded turbo. This thing is gonna be a spolin. Alright, so next up on what we're doing, we're gonna put on the water pump pulley. Just put it on like that. Put that one through there. Damn, these are kind of rusty. Maybe I might have to get some pulleys later on. Oh, time to put this dirty ass oil filter housing on. Alright, so we are gonna put in the manifold now. Whoops. Oh, I'm trying to get all this hooked up. I know you're not really supposed to reuse these, but I don't really see a point. If they fall off, I'll just get new ones, you know? I'm just that type of guy. I don't see a point in getting new ones unless I have a problem with it, you know? I'm telling you, this is way easier to work on when it's out of the car. I really wish when I pulled this motor out of the car, I really wish I just took everything apart outside of the car. Cause man, when it's under the car, it is so hard to reach. So I am pretty much finished. This is my old turbo just so I can mock it up and see like the fitment and stuff. Everything is pretty much on, pretty tight. All the pulleys are on. A couple of hoses are still not connected because the hoses are in my car. But there is some stuff that I need to figure out with this BK1 manifold. I still need to put in my injectors, which is not a big deal. I need to find a nut and one bolt. That's not too hard of a deal. I need to put this bracket on. Soon, in one of the next coming videos, I'm going to put my boost gauge here and route that. But I want to put this in the car first and then put all that stuff in. But other than that, everything is in. I need to connect the hoses and we are pretty much finished, boys. That's going to be it for today's video. If you guys liked it, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.